Subject, got that sauce. Hold on. What's good, YouTube? This your boy Super Jelly. I'm back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. If you guys want any more different videos and you guys got certain topics, certain content you guys want me to make the videos on, go ahead and comment below. Pretty much your boy went to Best Buy. He got this camera right now. It's a camera unboxing, supposedly. It's a nice Best Buy bag, man. Best Buy got some nice bag. You can see, I copped the Canon M50. Heard it's some good reviews. Don't ask me about the price tag, okay? Don't ask me. It hurts me, but YouTube, I love you. Only thing I'm kind of pressed about is it doesn't come with an SD card. But you know what? Yo boy got that, so I'm not even tripping. Trying to charge me for another SD card. Boy, stop playing with me. Ooh, this camera angle look delicious. Oh yeah, your boy Super Jalen back at it again with another voiceover. What? Another voiceover? Alright. Smooth selling from here on out. Here goes some paper for the Canon. You know, we love paper. There goes the user manual. It's very, very crucial that you read that so you can know how to use and function the Canon. If you don't, you won't know and you'll get terrible results. There goes the strap. Nice quality, nice strap. There goes the battery charger. Please do not lose that thing. And there goes the lens that comes with the camera. It is a decent lens. It gets the job done, but I would highly recommend getting a better one. And there goes the teeny tiny battery. It looks when it's fully put together. It's pretty sick. About to go outside and shoot some footage and take some pictures so we can see what we're working with. It's very easy. I think it's delicioso there, boy.